December F&O series, 45 new stocks added for trading. Its first trading day of December futures and options series. The good news for traders and investors is that starting 29th November 2024, NSE will introduce futures and options contracts on 45 new stocks. The set of stocks is likely to provide more diversity as are across various sectors, from finance to technology and renewable energy. The prominent stocks being included in F&O space from today are banks and financial services, Indian Bank, Union Bank of India, CDSL, IRFC, Jio Financial, LIC, Yes Bank. Technology and Telecom, Cyient, KPIT Technologies, and Tata Elxsi. Energy and Renewables, Adani Green Energy, Oil India, and JSW Energy. Retail, FMCG and e-commerce, Avenue Supermarts, DMart, Zomato, Nykaa, and Varun Beverages. Infrastructure and real estate, IRB Infrastructure, Macrotech Developers, Prestige Estates. Long story short, stock-specific action will dominate Dalal Street. Market trends. Global cues are neutral and lackluster as Wall Street was closed yesterday. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 11756 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 8718 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating consolidation. F&O December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 15.20 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.26 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.89. Nifty Outlook, Nifty bulls seen losing interest. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 3914. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,639 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,355 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,800 to 4100. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51907. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 50,945 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,761 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,505 to 500. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Need to know. GIFT Nifty is treading water, indicating the benchmark Nifty is likely to stay cautious amidst negative catalysts like 1. Trump tariff threats. 2. Stubborn US inflation pressures. 3. The US PCE index, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, clouded the picture for rate policy in the year ahead. 4. Solid US economic momentum. 5. Improving US consumer prospects. 6. Nifty's technical picture still highlights a lack of buyer interest. Bottom line, the long and short of trading theme at Dalal Street is that any sharp bullish move at Dalal Street is prone to sharp selling. Meanwhile, Wall Street was closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving and is wrapping up early on Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time.